Actually, with winning more than 1,100,000 votes, we are #1 party in all of the country. Thank you very much. Thank you to the panelists for your wonderful remarks and insights. I just have a correction to make, something that Mr. Ambarani-Zaman said. If I understood it correctly, he said KDP is now #2. Actually, with winning more than 1,100,000 votes, we are #1 party in all of the country. The other, as one single standing party, we are #1, but there is a coalition of several parties that have few thousand, votes more than us. But by far, we are #1 party now. I just wanted to make that correction.
Just to get you to say this. Voila. Thank you very much.